First is going to be Cheesecake Cocktail. We need juice from 1 lemon, but before you cut it, let's make a garnish first. With this zester grater, I'm going to peel a few small pieces of lemon. It takes a few seconds, but after that you can just cut lemon in half. I'm going to use 16 ounces mixing glass, but you can pour everything in the shaker. Our first ingredient will be 3/4 of an ounce Limoncello Villa Massa, but you can use actually any brand. Next we'll need ½ ounce of Licor 43. And if you're not familiar with the spirit, it's a sweet vanilla flavored liqueur. It's made in Spain. It has 43 different ingredients, lots of fruits, herbs and spices. Next we need 1 ounce of lemon juice, so let's take pieces that we cut earlier and squeeze them. This is dessert cocktail, so it's supposed to be creamier and thicker, and for this cheesecake we will use 2 ounces of heavy whipped cream. Our cheesecake wouldn't be so sweet without simple syrup, so we need 1/4 of an ounce. Now fill up your mixing glass with ice, cover it tight with shaker, and shake it with a smile, because it will taste a lot better then. I'm going to use sour glass, but you guys can pour into any cocktail glasses that you have at home. While you're enjoying this beautiful pour, can you guys please hit the like button? Thank you so much. For garnish we'll use lemon pieces that we prepared earlier. Try to break it apart and toss it on top of the drink. You also can use knife if you would like to make your pieces even smaller. Make it all pretty and enjoy cheesecake cocktail. Next is going to be inspired by the most popular dessert in the world, tiramisu. This is also going to be shaken drink, so we're gonna put everything together in the mixing glass. First ingredient, cognac or brandy, 1 ounce. Tiramisu is a coffee flavored dessert, so we're going to use Cacao coffee liqueur, ½ ounce. Make sure to use dark version of Creme de Cacao liqueur and also ½ ounce. For tiramisu cocktail we also will need heavy whipped cream, but this time only 1 ounce. Original recipe have 1 yolk in it, but if you prefer not to eat raw eggs, you can skip this, it's going to affect taste a little bit. And to separate egg whites from yolk, I'm going to use egg topper. Now put yolk in the glass. Again, it's optional, try to make cocktail with and without and see which one's better. And last ingredient before we shake it real hard, we need 1 spoon of mascarpone cheese. Oh, and it's actually a little bit challenging to separate it from metal spoon. Now fill it up glass with fresh ice, cover it and shake it with a smile really hard. Well, there was a lot of work, but well worth it. So now just pour it without strainer into the coffee or tea cup. As a garnish we will use chocolate powder and dust it on top of our delicious tiramisu cocktail. Now let's make apple pie cocktail. We will use cookies for garnish at the end, but I would recommend to crush it or muddle it in the beginning. Lots of ingredients, so this cocktail also will be shaken. Let's start with green apple liqueur and pour 2 ounces. We need 1 ounce of orange liqueur, so you can use any brand, Cointreau, triple sec, or like I'm using here, Naranja. Next we need 1 ounce of lemon juice, always use fresh, so take 1 lemon, cut it and squeeze it into jigger. Let's speed this up, I'll be really careful here and pour it in the mixing glass. I will need to get another pack of cream after this tutorial because we keep using it, so this time we also need 2 ounces. Well, there's actually a little bit left, so let's do more cocktails with whipped cream. Last but definitely not least ingredient in our apple pie cocktail will be Licor 43, and we need just ½ ounce. Fill it up with ice, cover it, and shake it with a smile. Well, you can't really see it, but I promise I'm smiling right now. Now we need to strain everything into the chilled cocktail glass. And while you're enjoying this beautiful, sexy pour, can you please let me know in the comments which one is your favorite cocktail from 3 that we made today? There's no limit on cookie garnish, so just put as much as you wish on top of the cocktail. Well, actually a little bit more, and still a little bit more. Okay, that's last one. I'm sure you want to try all of them right now, but can you please send this video to someone who also enjoying drinking and making cocktails?